DJI is known for making some of the best drones out there, and now they might be getting ready to drop another one that could shake things up. The Mini 5 Pro is said to be the next big thing in their compact drone series. This drone is expected to keep that super light and travel-friendly build that a lot of people love. It's made for flyers who don't want something big and heavy, but still want amazing shots. The Mini series has always been popular because it's small, easy to carry, and doesn't need a license to fly in many places. And now with the Mini 5 Pro, we might see a drone that adds smarter features, better camera power, and longer flying time in this video. We're going to break it all down. We'll look at how it might fly, what the new camera could do, and which new tools could help you shoot like a pro. So if you've been waiting for a drone that gives you power without the size or weight, then stick around because this one could be just what you're looking for. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to stick to the same compact size we know from the Mini series. It should still weigh under 250 grams, which means you won't need a drone license in many countries. This alone makes it perfect for travelers, content creators, and casual flyers who just want to get up in the air without any hassle. Now, even though it stays light, DJI could make it tougher by using stronger materials. The Mini 4 Pro already had a good build, but the Mini 5 Pro might be even better with improved durability that doesn't add extra weight, so it's still easy to pack and carry. But now with more strength, wind resistance is another area where this drone could take a step forward. The Mini 4 Pro already flew well even in light winds, but now we might see even smoother performance. Thanks to new aerodynamics, the body could get a slight redesign for better airflow, and the motors and propellers could be tuned for stronger stability. This means better control and less shake when flying in open or breezy places. Let's move to the camera because this is where most of the exciting talk is going on. The Mini 5 Pro might get a new 1-inch sensor, and that's a big deal. Bigger sensors let in more light and give you sharper details, especially in low light settings. Some sources say it might get a 1.3-inch sensor, but even that would still be a big jump from what we saw before. With a new sensor, you can expect better dynamic range so your shots don't look too dark or too bright. Even in tricky lighting, the lens might also come with a wider opening, letting in more light for better exposure and giving you that nice background blur for close-up shots for video. There are rumors that this drone could support 4K recording at 120 frames per second. This would be perfect for smooth, slow-motion shots, especially when filming action scenes or moving subjects. A 10-bit color option could also be included, and that would help a lot when editing your footage later because you'd get more control over the colors. And look, battery life is always important, and DJI might deliver something solid here. The Mini 4 Pro already gave decent flight time, but this new model could push past 40 minutes on a single charge. That's great for long sessions where you don't want to keep swapping batteries every few minutes. Charging might also get faster if DJI includes a smart charging hub. This would help you charge multiple batteries quickly and keep you in the air longer, without wasting time. Obstacle detection might also be getting a serious boost. The Mini 4 Pro already had pretty good sensors, but the Mini 5 Pro could go full 360 degrees. That means it could spot and avoid obstacles from all sides, making it safer to fly even in crowded or tricky areas. On the smart side, we might see better active track features. That means the drone can follow people or objects more smoothly with better subject recognition, so you could get professional-looking tracking shots without needing to touch the controls. Gesture controls might get an upgrade too, so you can fly, take photos, or start recording just by using hand movements. There might also be new automatic modes that help you take cool shots with just one tap, so even beginners can get creative without needing much practice. DJI could also improve their app with new editing tools so you can trim, cut, and add effects right from your phone. You might even get cloud sharing features that let you save and post your videos on the go without needing to download them to a computer. So to sum it up, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a powerful drone. In a tiny body, it keeps the small size and lightweight, but adds better flying, smarter features, and a big camera upgrade. This could be the perfect drone for anyone who wants high-quality results without the hassle of a big setup. Whether you're traveling, filming your next vlog, or just flying for fun, the Mini 5 Pro might just be the right choice. So that's a full look at the DJI Mini 5 Pro and everything it might bring to the table. It's small, it's light, and now it might come with some really cool features that make flying easier and more fun, with better obstacle detection, improved tracking, and what could be the best camera yet on a mini drone. This release could be huge for anyone who wants to step up their drone game. We know a lot of people are wondering if these updates are enough to make them upgrade from their current drone. And honestly, it depends on what you're looking for. If you want better video, more control, and smarter flying without giving up the small size, this could be the one. But now we want to hear from you. What do you think about the Mini 5 Pro? Would you buy it or stick with what you have? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let us know. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video and hit subscribe to Factic for more cool and simple tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.